Are you thinking about buying your first home? It's an exciting journey, one filled with opportunities, decisions, and steps that may seem a bit daunting. But fear not. We're here to break down this process into clear, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Know your credit score. It's a 3-digit number that lenders use to determine your creditworthiness. The higher your score, the better your chances of securing a favorable loan. If your score isn't quite where you'd like it to be, don't worry. There are many ways to improve it, such as paying off debts and making all payments on time. Next up, save, save, save. Having a robust savings account not only helps you cover the down payment, but also the closing costs, moving expenses, and any unexpected costs that may pop up. It's always better to be prepared. Once your finances are in order, it's time to look for a lender. Different lenders offer different types of loans, each with their own benefits and drawbacks. Research and compare to find the one that best suits your needs. Now, it's time to get pre-qualified. This is a process where a lender evaluates your financial situation to determine how much they're willing to lend you. It gives you a clear idea of what you can afford and shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. Next, it's time to find a real estate agent. A good agent understands the market, negotiates on your behalf, and guides you through the complex home buying process. They can be a true ally in your quest for the perfect home. Once you've found your dream home, it's time to bring in a home inspector. They'll examine the property for any potential issues, structural, electrical, or otherwise. This can save you from costly surprises down the line. But we're not done yet. The next step is getting a home appraisal. This is a professional assessment of the home's value, designed to reassure the lender that the property is worth the amount of the loan. Finally, we reach the closing process. This is where you sign all the necessary paperwork, pay any remaining costs, and, drumroll please, receive the keys to your new home. And there you have it. From knowing your credit score to receiving the keys, these are the key steps in buying your first home. It may seem like a lot, but with careful planning and a little patience, you can navigate this process with ease. Welcome to homeownership. Subscribe to this channel to continue to receive information about real estate.